For non-safe countries, because that law is absolutely inhuman law that they passed in a few days ago. So I want to say, Rishi Sunak, shame on you to pass that bill, that law, because this society doesn't accept that. We can say our brothers and sisters, Ukrainian people, Ukrainian refugees here. Nobody knows how many refugees of Ukrainian people are living in this country. I'm going to tell you now. 25,116 refugees are welcomed in last few years by this society. And they are living here. They have rights. So their lives matter. All the refugees from the other countries' lives matter. So we should be together. We should fight this law together. We should stop that process, that disgusting process to deport all the refugees that they came to this country since last year. We can say, stop deportation, safe loud, safe clear. Refugees are welcome here. Safe loud, safe clear.
Refugees are welcome here.
I want to say again, this law is really shameful of this government, especially on Rishi Sunak, because his parents were migrants. Everybody knows that. Suena Braverman, Jim Cleverly, most of the ministers in this cabinet, their parents were migrants. Okay? After that, they born in this country, they grown up. This society helped them to be a successful people, not to be a disgusting political people to hate the other refugees, to hate, to protect the other refugees when they flee, they escape from their society, their dangerous society, their home countries. Why they escape from their country? Why they flee? That's a very important question to everybody know, to everybody in this country, to everybody in this society, to ask that government why all the refugees escape their country. Because they were in danger. They were in danger. We should know, everybody should know. Otherwise, if they have another option to live in their home countries, they would stay there. They would stay there with their families, with their children, with their parents. But no, they didn't have another choice. They didn't have another thing, another option. They put their life in risk to cross many countries, to cross many countries, many seas, many borders. We should say, safe loud, safe clear. Refugees are welcome here. Safe loud, safe clear. Refugees are welcome here. Safe loud, safe clear.
Refugees are welcome here.
No borders, no nation, no deportation. No borders, no nation, no deportation. We should union all the charities, organizations across the country to stop that disgusting law. We need your help, we need your support, we need this lovely people, lovely society to support all the refugees, all the migrants, because their lives matter. Their lives matter. We should help them like they help that Ukrainian people, because their lives matter. All the refugees' lives matter. Thanks a lot again for your being here. Thanks all for your time.